people, hope you're doing great in your life. Today I'm standing at the super luxury landmark on the Gol Pahari Road, which is a Paras quartier built up by credible developer Paras Buildtech. They have already delivered more than 8 projects in Gurgaon, both commercial and residential. I'm Ritu Arora from TNT Reality Services, here to spoil you with all the luxuries.
Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story.
If we talk about the location of Paras Quartier, it is in the city of Gurgaon, very close to South Delhi, Faridabad and Gurgaon Expressway, IGI Airport, and yes, it is 0 kilometers from Delhi. The whole project is in 10.6 acres. It has 2 towers, Tower Iconic and Tower High-End. High-End has 37 apartments and 80% occupied by families are already staying and enjoying lush green property. Tower Iconic is a 3-dimensional spiral structured building. Come on, let me show you about the Tower Iconic. Tower, which is designed by HPA, which has a beautiful lobby, grand entrance. The feel of this lobby is like a 7-star, which is connected with the reception itself. So this is the beautiful lobby where I'm sitting. Your guests can come and wait, and there is a bookshelf where they can read a book while waiting, and there is a glass facade from where you can get the natural sunlight, and it's a beautiful luxury lobby. If I talk about the amenities, they have 27,000 square feet of a clubhouse, which includes all the indoor and outdoor activities. They have 3 swimming pools, one on the terrace, which is an infinite pool, one on the 8th floor and one in the clubhouse. Then down the corner, there is a Paras Trade Center where you can shop for your common groceries, your pharmacy, pet shop, bank, and all your daily necessity goods are available just down the corner. They provide you with the concierge services over here, where each and every luxury services are just a call away. Near this vicinity, you can find the top-notch school like Pathways and the top medical facilities like Artemis, Paras Hospital. Now let me show you the super luxury apartment. Now we are entering to the most beautiful apartment, which has the private entrance. The entire apartment is in 6,000 square feet and has 4 bedrooms. And it has huge wraparound balcony, which is connected with each and every room. This is the room as you enter from your private elevator. This is on your left side, which is separate from living area and other 3 rooms. So this you can be used as a kids room, as studying, as your office, and as a guest room, so that there is no interference and disturbance with the connecting room. If I show you how this apartment gives you peace and luxury, let me show you the first room of this apartment. This is the first room, which has a walk-in closet and with the attached bathroom, and wooden flooring is provided. So as we move around the apartment, I can show you that there is this huge family lounge where you can have a cup of coffee, you can have your private family time over here. And I would like to show you the second room of this apartment, which is again attached with a huge balcony, which gives you a breathtaking view of the Aravallis and lush green area. Even the second room has attached bathroom and walk-in closet, which is spacious, good enough for a shopping freak. Now I will show you master bedroom. The master bedroom is centrally air conditioned and with a huge walk-in closet for the shopaholics. Bathroom facets are from Toto, which is a Japanese brand. So next to your master bedroom, there is a little room for your storage, which is good enough to stock your groceries and stuff like that. And there is a good space where you can make your mandir, you can make your library, you can keep your box, and you can put your little machine for yoga, your gym. You will get this spacious kitchen in the apartment which is connected to the utility balcony. As it says, it's a luxury apartment. So the service lift is separate, which is not connected with the apartment. There's a separate entry for the servant or your domestic help to enter and to go out. So there is a servant's room which is outside in a separate area. So now we are at the huge wraparound balcony which gives you a 270-degree view. It feels like that we are in the lap of Arabi. Even the air pollution is really less. So this is the virtual tour of Paris Quartier iconic tower. So people, for more information about the Paris Quartier, you can contact on this number. See you soon and be safe.